Did you know over 2.1 million Americans unknowingly buy used cars with hidden problems every single year? That's right, millions of people drive off the lot smiling, only to face costly repairs or total engine failure just months later. And the worst part? Most of these disasters could have been avoided if buyers knew what red flags to watch for. In this video, we're exposing the 8 biggest red flags that scream, "Don't buy this car." And stick around till the end, because red flag number 1 is the most overlooked mistake that leaves buyers broke and furious. Trick number 8. Mismatched paint or body panels. One of the easiest ways to spot a car that's been in a serious accident is by looking for mismatched paint or body panels. Think about it. If a car's been in a major accident, shady sellers won't always go the extra mile to restore it properly. Instead, they'll slap on a quick fix just to make a fast buck. You might see a fender that's just a bit brighter or duller than the door beside it. Maybe the bumper has a slightly off tone compared to the hood. That's not your eyes playing tricks on you. It's a clear sign that the car has been patched up with parts from a junkyard or repainted using cheap materials. Always inspect the car in natural daylight, walk around slowly, and view it from multiple angles. If you spot mismatched paint, assume there's more hiding underneath and proceed with caution. Trick number 7. Rust or frame damage on the undercarriage. One of the most dangerous red flags is found where most buyers never look: under the car. Rust on the undercarriage, especially on the frame, suspension mounts, or brake lines, is a serious concern. While surface rust on the exhaust or heat shields is common, but structural rust compromises the integrity of the vehicle. It weakens the frame, makes suspension components brittle, and can even cause brake or fuel lines to fail while driving. In some cases, the rust is so bad that the car isn't safe to drive, and repairs would cost more than the car's worth. Shady sellers may clean up the rust temporarily or apply rubberized coating to mask the issue. Always get under the car with a flashlight or take it to a lift-equipped shop. If you see flaking metal, soft spots, holes, or crusty rust on suspension and frame parts, walk away. Trick number 6. Visible leaks. If you spot oil, coolant, transmission fluid, or power steering fluid leaking under the car, it's more than just a mess. It's a major warning sign. A healthy car should not leak anything. Sellers may clean the engine bay before you arrive, but fresh drips or puddles under the vehicle after it's parked for a few minutes are hard to hide. Oil leaks can mean worn gaskets, cracked pans, or worse, engine block damage. Coolant leaks may come from the radiator, water pump, or head gasket. Shady sellers often say, "It's just a minor leak," but don't fall for it. Use a flashlight to inspect under the vehicle and around the engine bay. Any visible leak is a potential money pit, and you should factor in repair costs or walk away entirely. Trick number 5. Dashboard warning lights. When you start the car, pay close attention to the dashboard. Warning lights like the check engine light, ABS, traction control, or airbag indicators should flash briefly and turn off. If any stay on, it's a sign something's wrong and possibly expensive. Worse, some sellers remove bulbs or disconnect sensors to hide these warnings. That means a car could be dealing with a misfiring engine, faulty brakes, or inoperable airbags. A check engine light alone could mean anything from a bad oxygen sensor to major engine failure. Always insist on a full startup test and bring an OBD2 scanner if you can. It will reveal hidden error codes even if the lights are off. If there are any unexplained dashboard warnings, or if the seller dismisses them as nothing to worry about, that's your cue to run. Trick number 4. Dirty or sludgy engine oil. When you're inspecting a used car, never skip checking the engine oil. It tells you more than any salesman ever will. Start by pulling out the dipstick and look at the oil's color and consistency. If the oil looks dark brown to black and has a thick, gritty, or goopy texture, you're looking at sludgy oil, and that's a major red flag. This sludge doesn't form overnight. It builds up over time when the engine is neglected and oil changes are skipped or delayed far too long. Sludgy oil clogs vital oil passages, suffocates engine components, and drastically increases wear. Some sellers will top off or even change the oil just before a sale to hide the sludge. So check inside the oil cap and around the filler neck, too. If you see black deposits or gunk there, consider walking away. Fixing a sludged engine is expensive and replacing one costs thousands. Trick number 3. Odometer tampering. Mileage is one of the most critical indicators of a car's age and wear, and it's also one of the most manipulated. If you see a low odometer reading but the interior tells a different story, like worn-out pedals, sagging seats, or a shiny steering wheel, you could be dealing with odometer fraud. Some sellers use software tools to roll back digital odometers, or they replace the cluster entirely with one from a lower mileage vehicle. Always cross-check the mileage using vehicle history reports like Carfax, and look for consistent maintenance records. Tampered mileage not only means you're paying more than the car is worth, but it also hides how much wear the engine, transmission, and suspension have truly endured. If the numbers don't add up, don't trust anything else the seller says. Trick number 2. Airbag deployed or missing. This is a hidden danger that could literally cost you your life. If a car was in an accident and the airbag deployed, the system must be fully repaired and reset to factory specs. But replacing airbags is expensive, and some shady sellers skip it entirely. They'll reinstall the steering wheel cover without the airbag or rags inside to make it feel padded. If the airbag light is permanently on or doesn't turn on at all during startup, it means the system is compromised. Always ask for airbag service history and check the dashboard warning lights during ignition. A car without functioning airbags is a rolling death trap, and no discount is worth that risk. Trick number 1. Hard starting or unstable idle. When you go to test a used car, pay close attention to how it starts and how the engine behaves at idle. If the engine cranks longer than it should or requires multiple attempts to start, that's a major red flag. It could mean a weak battery or bad spark plugs, but it could also point to more serious problems like a failing fuel pump, faulty ignition system, or low engine compression. An unstable idle can be a sign of vacuum leaks, clogged fuel injectors, dirty throttle bodies, or a bad sensor. If a car struggles to start or can't keep a steady idle, it's not a vehicle you can trust. That's all for this video. These are the major things that you should keep in mind while purchasing a car. Always take your time, inspect the car from top to bottom, and never feel pressured into rushing a deal. There are plenty of good used cars out there, but only if you know how to spot the bad ones.